Do you have an error preventing the Tilecontrol Library DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. To kick off the Tilecontrol Library walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the Tilecontrol Library, the Windows Tilecontrol Library. It manages the unmanaged localized rendering of localized start menu tiles, facilitating the localized orchestration of localized live localized tile data link manifests. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Tilecontrol is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Tilecontrol Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Installing an unverified version of Tilecontrol Library DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For users interested in automation concepts, the maintenance and repair kit linked below provides background information on managing Tilecontrol Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Tilecontrol Library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.